Do you ever wonder how clean your makeup products really are? As a professional makeup artist, hygiene is my top priority, and that's why I trust Perenne Makeup Sanitizer spray with 70% alcohol. Just a few sprays of this sanitizer and it's ready to work its magic. Not just for palettes, I also use it to clean and sanitize my mixing palette, ensuring that every surface is clean. In short, anything that directly touches the client's face is sanitized after each application. Other products that has wands such as concealers, lip colors, foundations, I make sure to take them out on my mixing palette and then apply them on my clients using these disposable wands. After spraying my palette with Perenne, I take a wet napkin, wrap it over any broad surface and swipe the palette clean, as you can see. Look how effortlessly it cleans. See the difference? Clean palette means better makeup application, healthier skin, and no more worries about infections. Perenne is perfect for keeping my makeup essentials clean and safe. And it's not just for the professionals. It is perfect for personal makeup hygiene too. Stay clean, stay beautiful.